Hello guys, it's P50 here, chilling here as usual, minding my own business. Hello P50, I'm here to replace you. Oh no you're not, Modulator. Oh yes I am. Hey Modulator, how is your collector rings doing? If you say that one more time P50, I will get mad and fire my laser. Collector rings, collector rings, collector rings. Ugh! Collector rings. That's it, I warned you. I'm a fire in my laser. Hello guys, this is AC Cyclone with STL10. Hey guys, I'm hanging out with AC Cyclone. He has a similar sound to P50. As you know, P50 sounds like a trash compound. That P50 looks like a trash compounder. I mean, P50 looks like a trash bucket. Would you like to hang out, STL10? Sure. Let's get my other friend over here. ST810. Okay. Hey STH10, you sound like a Model 5. Oh, shut up, STL10. Whatever. Oh my gosh, I'm a Thunderbolt sitting all alone and I don't have any friends. I can hang out with you, Thunderbolt. Okay. P50, I thought I told you to go away. No. Yes, P50, if you don't go away, I will smack you out of this field. Fine, whatever, I'll go. Bye, losers. You know what? Modulator. What? STH10 should give P50 a punishment day. I think he should get grounded. Okay. Sorry, I slipped on you. Thunderbolt. That's okay. P50, I know what you did to Thunderbolt and Modulator. That's it. You're grounded for 1-8-12-8-6-8-0-0-0-0 10 years. Go to your own side of the field now. Oh, that's it. STH10. You are so unfair. That's what you get for picking on other sirens. Hey, Modulator. Yes, AC Cyclone. How come you replaced me at Chevron Refinery? The people thought that you were getting too old. That's why they put me at Chevron Refinery to help out San Pablo, to warn people about refinery accidents, along with OM20. Oh, okay. Hey guys, I got an idea. Let's all hang out together. Okay. Me 2. Me 3. Me 4. Hey guys, I'm sorry for picking on you. It's okay, P50, I forgive you. Me too. But still, Modulator, you look like Mentos on a stick. P50, don't call him that. Fine, I'll stop. I'm a fire in my laser. Ha, that's what you guys get for making me angry. Thanks for watching the Siren Shorts. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Good day.